Subscribe to Chucky's horror movie.
Stick your cock up her ass, you motherfucking worthless cocksucker.
I don't think Ronald is gonna like this at all.
Trick or treat, fucker.
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Oh, come on!
Where's me gold, damn it?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
What did you say, Dick, about me, mother?
Hello? We have the Epstein files.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in, they're eating the cats.
I said we have the Epstein files.
I have a great relationship with the blacks. I've always had a great relationship with the blacks.
We have the fucking files, you dipshit.
Well, after two tests, I did a test, I aced them. Both of them, as you know, that's we made it public.
We have the fucking Epstein files, you moron.
Latin music superstar, Nicky Jam. Do you know Nicky?
We are going to release the files, you fucking idiot.
Ah! Black, and now she wants to be known as black. So I don't know, is she Indian or is she black?
You have got to be kidding me!
Good evening. We saw you in the Epstein files. Billy boy.
I did not have sexual relations with them.
We know you like pizza and bubbles. Bye-bye.
I never told anybody to lie, not a single time. No. These allegations are false.
We have you on tape. Getting out. Bye-bye.
Indeed, I did have a relationship that was not appropriate. In fact, it was wrong. It constituted a critical lapse in judgment and a personal failure on my part, for which I am solely and completely responsible.
You and Trump sitting on a plane, waiting for Epstein and Ghislaine. We know you're not legally blind.
They saying I drove a getaway car, but I'm legally blind, so how am I drive a car?
We saw you on camera using your vision.
I'm an innocent bystander. They saying I drove a getaway car, but I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
So you can't see at all.
I'm legally blind. I can see, barely. Barely, but I'm an innocent bystander.
Any last words before they lock your dumbass up?
I'm innocent. And Mom, I love you, know, please. I would die.
Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
I don't have a mother, you possessed dipshit!
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Stick your cock up her ass, you motherfucking worth.
You know I'm better than you, and have more bodies than you, right? Dude, please, I started all this horror Halloween shit.
I can't wait for Halloween so I can get a real job.
What is the worst thing I did to you while you were camping?
Dude, you stabbed me while I was getting some bop.
Oh, dude, when will you dumbasses learn? Nobody gets cheeks on my watch.
Welcome to Spirit Halloween, where the scariest things are the prices. Who's the best horror movie clown?
Definitely Art the Clown.
Yeah, he's a twisted son of a bitch.
Who's the best horror movie clown?
Man, that's it. That clown is a demon.
Yeah, dude is a clown legend.
Next.
Yo, let me get 20-piece demon balls and a large drink of golden zombie showers. Would you like to supersize that for just 69 cents? Definitely, dude. I need it.
I'm loving it.
In the moonlight, my honey, I know in the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to
Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Joke's on you, dipshit. Let her suck 'em all.
In 7 days, I'ma beat your ass.
Get off my line, shrimp dick. Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Disgusting frick!
Sucks cocks in hell.
I'm gonna tear that ass up when I find you.
I want to play a game. Your mother sucks cocks in hell. I miss the old days when no one knew who I was. Mother sucks cocks in hell.
I'm gonna gut the two of you when I find you, fuckers. Hello?
Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Ronald don't play that shit. Hello? Your mom was glazing me last night. I'll glaze my machete through you if you talk about my mom again.
Hello? We clapping your sister's cheeks like a round of applause.
It's not fair! You guys are always hanging out without me, bro!
Welcome to the Rap-Off Battle League. On my left-hand side, and on my right-hand side,
Fight!
you belong in the dessert section next to the fluffy custard because you're sweet as honey mustard. Get holes in your leather jacket, get the ratchet, Scooby with the french fries, tater tots. I be on sandwiches in the spread. Translation, you small potatoes, and I'm out here getting to the bread. Yo, that shit was fucking ass. See, I'm a seasoned veteran in here. You're seasoned with salt. Don't think that I won't swing. Even the exit here came to see you get yoked. So
Welcome to my home. Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
I want you to party with me for your birthday, man.
My boy Freddy can beat your ass. Hey, Billy. Is it true Mary gives a good fisting when you talk? Shh! Your mother sucks cocks in hell.
Tiffany is gonna beat your ass when she finds you, bitch!
Your mother sucks cocks in hell. Subscribe or I will hunt you down. I'm watching you.